How to reprogram keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11. Keyboard shortcuts are essential, but managing them doesn't have to be complicated. Let's walk through how to reprogram keys in Windows 11 using PowerToys, registry changes, and trusted third-party apps. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why reprogramming keys matters. Reprogramming keyboard shortcuts can solve broken key issues, create consistency across different hardware, and improve accessibility for users. While Windows 11 does not include a built-in remapping feature, administrators and end users can achieve this through Microsoft PowerToys, registry changes, or third-party utilities. How to use Microsoft PowerToys. The simplest way to reprogram keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11 is through PowerToys. Once installed from the Microsoft Store, enable the Keyboard Manager and choose either remap a key or remap a shortcut. You can then assign new functions or app-specific commands. Keep in mind that PowerToys must remain running in the background for these changes to work. Advanced option with Registry Editor. For secured environments that need system-wide enforcement, Registry Editor provides a more advanced solution. By creating a scan code map entry, administrators can deploy consistent remapping across devices. Sharp keys can generate the necessary values and write them directly to the registry. A restart finalizes the changes. Other tools and considerations. Beyond Microsoft tools, third-party programs like AutoHotkey, KeyTweak, or Key Remapper offer additional flexibility. However, always download from trusted sources to maintain security. It's also important to note that some keys, such as the FN key, cannot be changed through software and may require BIOS or manufacturer utilities. For enterprise environments, group policy and MDM solutions can help enforce uniform shortcut behavior, while AutoHotkey scripts or roaming profiles ensure consistent experiences for mobile or shared users. For more information, check out our official blog post on reprogramming keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11, linked in the description below.